heat the ghee. When the oil becomes hot, add an onion. Brown onions in ghee. After browning the onions, add potatoes. Cook the potatoes for 5 minutes. As soon as the potatoes leave the ghee, add carrots to it. Now cook both potatoes and carrots for 5 minutes. As soon as the potatoes and carrots are cooked and soft, add peas in it. Now cook all this well. This food is being prepared for 10 people. I have taken 4 kilograms rice, so add 1 tablespoon red chili powder in it. You can also use as per your taste. Now add only 1 tablespoon salt to these vegetables. We add 1 tablespoon biryani masala to it. Add the ginger paste. As I told earlier that rice is 4 kilograms, so add 8 liters of water to it. Now you will add to all this mixture 7 TBSP salt and biryani masala 1 tablespoon. Now add rice which has already been soaked. Here I have added next some green chilies to this. And green chili paste, ginger paste. When there is little water left in the rice, then let them cook on steam. Now the rice is ready. Take it out and serve it. Believe me, rice will be very tasty.